Welcome back, guys. In this section we are going to work on the booking the tickets as well as the payments module. So here to book a ticket we are going to have two APIs. First we will do the payment confirmation API. So once it is done we are going to block the seats. So for the payment we are going to use the Stripe integration. So let me show you the Stripe account. So if you don't have the account, please create by using your Gmail account. So Stripe payment platform. So if you are aware of any other payment gateway integration, you can go with that. So my recommendation is used to Stripe. So sign in. Long back I have used this. I don't know whether the password is correct or not. So let me log in with my Gmail and password. Yes, I think it is correct. Signing in. Yeah, awesome. So here you can see my dashboard got opened in the Stripe. So once the dashboard loads, you will be able to see this screen. So you need not to worry about all these things. So once you go to the payments, you will be having the list of payments that are done to your account. So here you can see these are all the payments which are done to your account. So first, if you go to the what I can say more, so you will be having the integration part. So we need integration keys for front end and back end. So the front end key will be called as the public key and the back end key will be called as the secret key. So here you can see you have this developer. So once you click on this developer, you will be having these API keys. You can see here API keys. Yeah, so this is the publishable key, this is the secret key. So this key has to be used in the front end and this key has to be used in the back end. So once we complete the front end integration of the Stripe, we will work on the back end. So let me install the related libraries in the front end and back end. So in the front end we are going to use the React Stripe checkout. So this is the library which will pop up the Stripe payment gateway model. So where we have to enter our credit card details. Why it is not showing? On demand. React Stripe checkout. Yeah, here they have given. So I think their npm page is not working properly. So just install this and go to your React application and paste the command. Let's close all these things. Done. Let's restart the server. npm start. So once you restart the server, we need this component React Stripe checkout. So let's go to the what I can say, pages, book now, index.js. So here we need that component, and by default if you use this component you will get a button like this. So you will get a button like this. So if you want to edit this button, you need to wrap the button inside the Stripe checkout. So let me go to that. So you can copy this syntax if you want. Copy and go to the bottom of the get seats. So here MT2 or MT1. So let me write MT2. So I'm just pasting this. Yeah, so here we can have the button. So button type is equal to nothing, so you can leave the type. So just variant you can give as, if you want, okay, let's have the filled variant only, no need of outline. So button title I am going to give, title is equal to book now, not bow, it's now. So let's import the button at the top, button from components button. So let it reload. So once it reloads, you are going to get the there is a Stripe checkout button. So here you can see Stripe key, which is nothing but the publishable key. So if you go to the UI of the payment gateway, so this is the publishable key, right? So just copy this and paste it here, paste it here. So now what I can say, so we need the remaining things in the Stripe checkout. Token is there, so instead of this dot on token, you just need to write just on token. So once you click on the submit button in the payment model, so this on token function will execute. So here I am going to execute that on token function. So I am just writing const on token. On token is equal to, so let's print the token first, what we are getting. Then after we will decide what we have to send to the backend. Yeah, so here you can see application has reloaded successfully. Again it is compiling, don't know why. Let's go to the UI and refresh the page also. Refresh, you should get the button here after refreshing. And also we need the amount, right? So you just need to pass the amount prop here. Amount is equal to, so selected seeds dot length. So this is the total quantity of the seeds and into price of the show. So I am just writing show dot ticket price, show dot ticket price into 100. So basically it will take the amount in the cents format. So you just need to multiply always the amount with the 100. Yeah, I think we are good. So once it reloads, you can get the output. Yeah, okay. So request failed with 401. I think this is the error with the protected route. So when you get this kind of issues, it has to automatically remove the token from the local storage and log out. So let me go to the catch block or else block here. So local storage dot remove item token, navigate to login. Done. Perfect. So let's log in with the John account. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So avatar, date 15th, 9 o'clock. I think to have multiple shows, right? Why it is showing only one? Let's have 14th. Yeah, so 14th we have multiple shows. 9, yes. So you have 120 seats available online. So this is the book now button. Let's keep it center. Go to the index.js. Okay, so here I am just writing flex justify center. Done. So here I am just clicking on the book now. Here you can see I got the Stripe model pop-up. So here I can enter the name. So always test credit card number will be all 424242s. CVV you can give anything. 1223 I am going to give 123. Pay. Done. So if I open the console, I should able to see the object. Yeah. So here you can see this is the thing you have to send it to the backend. So this complete token object you have to send it to the backend. So therefore in the backend we will see what we need. So this token object is required along with the show information and all this stuff. So this is the payment in the front end part. So if you observe, we are not getting the amount in the column. So here we should get the amount. Why we are not getting is the challenge. Let's see. So show dot ticket price is integer only, it has to multiply. Oh, we did not selected the seats, I believe. Okay, now let's click on this. Yeah, so here you can see I got $240. So working as expected. You can also give the currency if you want. Suppose if I give the currency currency is equal to INR, I am going to get in the Indian rupee format. Here you can see rupee 240. So let's give US only, the default one, because the Stripe integration with the Indian currency codes are not working properly. Okay, so let's open this again. Yeah, so now the amount is 240. So this is working as expected. So here, instead of having that issue, you can put these in a conditional rendering. If selected seats dot length greater than 0, then only show that div. So no book now button. Once you click on this, you will get the book now button. So this is about the Stripe integration in the front end. So in the next lecture we are going to work on the Stripe integration in the back end. Thank you.